So dahil marami nagtatanong sa akin last time kung ano bang opinion ko sa Father and Son, here, dahil wala akong Father and Son na pabango, I bought 3 of their fragrances. So yun, unbox natin siya ngayon. Wait lang, tanggalin ko na siya sa box. Pero ito siya, this is unboxing experience. Cut muna. So ito na sila. So basically they're just done by. So ang pinili ko is the Debonair, which is the Creed Aventus dupe. We also have here the Eros dupe and then their own blend because I wanna smell their own blend. So let's see ano nga ba una natin makakita. So we have here the Intense. I think the Intense is supposed to be the Eros dupe. So smell test natin. Ang layo. Opening niya malayo. Malayo. Sobrang layo. Medyo fresh note siya. Sobrang layo sa Eros. I mean, okay naman siguro siya. Alternative, pero hindi siya Eros. If it's just inspired, no. Sobrang layo sa Eros. Wala siyang Eros DNA. Malayo. For me, malayo. Next is the Debonair. Gusto natin to. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Okay, this is supposed to be the Creed Aventus inspired. And wow, ooh, wow. It smells like Club Dinuit Intense, man. I kinda like this. Oh. Actually, it kinda smell like Club Dinuit Intense, man. Wow. Okay. Good shit. And next one is Gentleman. Their own blend. So, kasi natin to. Oh, wow! Oh! Oh, shit. Oh shit. Ang taas ng powder note niya. Medyo sweet. Oh, wow. Okay. So, Gentleman. Smells so good. So, yeah. Ano masasabi ko? Debonair is good. Gentleman is nicer. Intense. Masyadong malayo for an Eros inspired. Pero yun. If mag-suggest man ako, I suggest Gentleman instead of the Debonair. But yeah, Gentleman good. So final verdict, will I recommend this as a school fragrance for students na nasa... So as a final verdict, will I recommend these 3 as your school fragrances, especially for those students na on a tight budget that cannot buy Middle Eastern fragrances or niche or even designer fragrances? Yes, I will recommend these 3. Pero maybe Intense, masyado siyang malayo para sa akin. I'd rather choose Debonair or Gentleman as your school fragrances. For the price of 580 pesos for 30 ml, yes, it's already good for its smell DNA, na similar sa mga original niya. Yes, I will suggest it. Pero if ever man na naghanap pa kayo ng alternative in an easy access, mas maraming aficionado and Ian Jersey sa mga malls, just buy one of those and then we're good to go. So yeah, just buy if you want to buy. Wala naman akong yellow basket, so you can take my opinion with a grain of salt. Yun lang.